Hang on, sorry.
Brian, you missed the spot. Oh my
Sorry.
What do you guys envision on your dream lot here in Plant City?
A 3-bedroom, 2 baths.
Yeah.
Okay.
We do like to cook, so
Decent sized kitchen.
yeah.
Okay.
Definitely outdoor space. I usually come home from work and just sit outside with the dogs, and my daughter runs around and plays, so.
What kind of style?
We're still trying to decide exactly what kind of style.
So we're gonna have a full work day during Inspiration Tours to figure out the design style you like.
What is the budget?
$525.
Now it's just time to turn this dream lot into your dream home.
Yes.
We're working on the special project, but I'm also looking at the rest of the house, and there is a lot of work to get done, not a lot of time to do it. Oh, wow, okay. Finally, I walk into a room with progress. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little freaked out about how much work has to get done, but this is looking nice. I do want to change one thing, though, with what we have going on over here. Nothing major. Here's what I'm kind of thinking. Originally, we were gonna do 5 floating shelves. I think we reduce it to maybe 3 shelves and then do a desk. She's little now, but we also want her to grow into the space.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so we're adding a little bit more work.
This is not the worst thing you've ever done to me in the middle of a project.
So with the amount of work that needs to get done on this house, I probably shouldn't be adding to James's workload, but I know James can handle it. He is never disappointed on a special project, and he's not gonna start now. Aria was very vocal. She's young, but she's mighty, and she knows what she likes, and she loves purple, brave purple.
So this entire structure we'll do in the brave purple. What if we did a different color on the shelves?
Yeah, so let me see. I feel like purple and teal. What do you think about like one of these two?
I like that raindrop.
It's a little bit lighter, right?
Yeah.
I feel like, you know, anytime you do 2 colors, you want to have like a light, dark contrast thing going on. Floating shelves and raindrop, yeah.
I think it's gonna be okay.
The other thing is I got this cool light. The backside projects stars. I think Ryan's gonna get a kick out of it because we're staying with Ryan's parents in his childhood room. He still has the glow-in-the-dark stars. Remember back in the day, the glow-in-the-dark stars? I think we gotta bring it to the 21st century. This is a classy way to do it.
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Like maybe right about here, because then it'll have this really cool projection at night.
Yeah, we can make that happen easy.
Aria's gonna love it.
This is gonna be so convenient. When Ryan and Caitlin are at work and the dog's gotta go out, they can go right through the wall. Hey, Mika! Come check out the doggy door.
Hello? Oh, what's up, guys?
Hi. You coming through?
I think this is as far as I go. Jack and Gus are smaller than I am. We've transformed this house in the last 3 days.
Not quite there yet. We still gotta get the hood up, a little bit more hardware. We have to install a shower glass that who knows when's gonna get here.
That's one of the things that is very scary about what we do is we like make a commitment to these families before we really get started on a project. But to date, we have yet to not deliver.
A little bit more. All right, let's get it cleaned up. Tomorrow morning can't come soon enough, but let's hope it doesn't come too soon.
Slow down tomorrow because we're not ready.
I know.
Calm down.
Welcome home officially.
Nice. Welcome home.
Love it.
Yes, this is perfect.
Yes.
Nice. I don't know what
start.
to say.
Nice.
Now your parents can come over here and have dinner at your house.
Yes, everyone's coming here. We're not going anywhere.
No more traveling to see everybody.
Plenty of room.
Plenty of room.
Yeah.
Definitely a nice cozy vibe. I just need
This is
a
it.
100-inch TV. You know, good.
We'll see.
100-inch TV.
TV sold separately. Well, I can't wait to show you the kitchen. So about 3 days ago, none of this existed.
Yeah, come appreciate these cabinets, okay? And the countertops.
Brand spanking new.
A lot's gotten done.
Oh, you can say that again.
It was a little scary, but the team pulled it off. I'm looking at Ryan's shirt. You were meant to be in this kitchen.
No, this is my kitchen.
Oh, that's her kitchen.
But yeah, this pop of color is good. I like
Be
it.
careful, the backsplash might still be drying.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely nice.
Yes.
Do you feel like the interior of this house fits kind of that modern aesthetic you were looking for?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, definitely. This is us.
We're good.
We love to hear that because I think that's why you build custom.
You guys want to see the main suite?
With a little bit more space?
I'm ready.
All right, come on.
Come on, y'all.
And after you.
Oh, this is great.
Plenty of light in here too.
Yeah.
I feel like you're looking for stars in the
I
ceiling.
was just thinking that.
He's like, where's my stars?
Gotta-
so used
gotta
to
check.
So I told you that the kitchen was just installed, what, 3 days ago? Mm-hmm. This shower glass was installed like an hour ago.
Yeah.
Check out your
I like
fresh
it.
bathroom.
Oh, definitely liking these mirrors in here.
Yes.
There's plenty of room in the shower.
Oh, this is nice.
Actually, hang on, sorry.
Brian, you missed the spot. Oh my
Sorry.
And the best part is you don't need to share this bathroom with your parents or Aria.
Yes. Yes.
Exactly.
That is true.
With Ryan and Caitlin being ex-military, they have moved like so much. She's moved like 3 times in the last couple years. This is gonna be the first room that she can actually make her own and remember.
And it's gonna be the best room she's ever had.
I agree. I really want to see her first impression. I hope she loves it.
There's my little friend.
Welcome home.
I like it.
Yeah?
Come on in.
Come on. We saved the best part for last. And guess what the best part is?
My room.
Your room! Okay, come on.
Follow me, girl, follow me. I'm so excited to show you your room. Go all the way.
It's yours!
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah? Do you like the color?
Your own desk?
That's the homework, art
Turned out
station.
nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Aria, I gotta show you the coolest thing. Help me pull this.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
That's nice.
Hey!
Isn't that cool?
You like it? Yeah, you want to draw something? Our first piece of artwork. in
I
the
know.
room.
Now look.
Oh, now we can't look?
So Ryan, I hope you're not jealous, but Aria's got stars in her room.
Oh, yeah.
Just passing the torch down.
Passing the star torch. Are you done?
That's a beautiful flower.
Love it.
You're gonna make so much cool art in this room.
You want to get in the bed? I know you do.
Here, I'll help you. There you go.
Oh, she's comfy. We might not.
Oh!
Do we get a thumbs up on the room and the bed?
10.
Oh, yes. All right. Oh, this is.
Hey, sweet dreams, Aria.
Okay.
All right.
Good night.
Good night.
Have a good
Good night.
nap.
Okay.
That's a great special project. It put her to sleep. All right, Ryan and Caitlin, there's one more space we want to show you. Think you can relax back here?
Definitely can.
Do you know who's going to enjoy this backyard? Gus and Jack.
Oh, yeah. That works.
Okay, so in addition to Aria's dream room, we gave you 2,300 square feet. You got your 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and most importantly, keeping it in the budget of $525,000.
Ryan and Caitlin, this was a long, winding road with a lot of twists and turns.
Yes.
But in the end, we got you into your brand new home, and we are so thrilled.
Thank you. We appreciate everything. It's
Yeah.
an amazing house.